way also, it's going to be off. Okay. Match it. Okay, right sides together. Okay. Now the front all the way to the back side is symmetrical, right? So we can finish sewing that and then figure out where the back goes, because that's what makes the difference, right? That's that. Okay, square the corner, find the seam allowance. Okay, so this is symmetrical, it means that it's even on both sides, right? So that's it. Okay, now we can put it in. Because it's lining, it's clean finishing this, right? So the wrong sides would have to be together, okay? So now I know that my back panel, right, goes here, okay? So this side is covered, this side is not, right? So I know that my back panel has to go on this side, okay? Okay, wrong sides together, this is clean finishing it, okay? Figure it out. Then we put our back panel, okay? The back panel, it's cutting on the fold or straight, so the sides are all even. Just find the notches and match it, okay? Match the top, like that. Okay, so that's the lining which goes onto this. Okay, any questions? Good? Okay, so we have these two done. Now we are going to work on the skirt. Now the skirt also has 3 pieces. Okay, so we have the back, right? Okay, this is the inside, this is my back, okay? I'm marking them so that I know, okay? So this is my back, my front, right? And we know that our zipper is going on the left, right? So we can put a mark there, okay? To know that this is where my zipper is going. Okay, you need to find that. You position it this way, your back, right? And this is your front, okay? And the zipper goes on the left, right? Okay. Okay, so now the back is French, the skirt is French seam. Okay, so it means that wrong sides together, right? We start from the side without the zipper, right? Okay, like that. Okay, 1/4 inch. Seam, at the edges, make sure that they are even, okay? Then we're going to stitch at a 1/4 inch, okay? Like that. Okay, and now we're going to trim off 1/8, right? Okay. Now right sides come together. Okay, you can press it if you want, or you can finger press it. Just press to make sure that your seam is open. Okay, start from the bottom. Okay, back, and we are stitching at a 1/4 inch. Okay, so this is the French seam that we did for the sample. Okay, so finger press it, make sure that your seam is open. Okay, and then we're stitching at a 1/4. Okay, go to the top, just back. Okay, finishes off with that, right? Okay. Now on the side with the zipper, okay, there should be a notch for the zipper, okay? So we're gonna assume that the zipper ends at the waist, okay? Because we'll have to join the top and measure the length of the zipper, okay? So I'm going to stitch to at least 1.5 inches, okay? 1.5 inches to the waist notch, okay? Or 1 inch, okay? So first, I'm just going to start wrong sides together. Okay, this side is also French seam. Okay, so wrong sides together. Match your notches. Okay, so 1 inch too, I'm just going to stop and back tack, okay? Okay, so now I'm just going to clip 1/8 off. Okay, turn it inside out. Okay, and I'm going to stitch my 1/4 inch. Now I'm also going to stop about 1.5 inches before the end of my last stitch. Okay, I'm going to mark it for you to see. Okay, we want to have access to the seam. Okay, after. Okay, so our first stitch ended here. Right? Okay, so I'm going to gauge at least 1.5 inches, 1.25 inches before the end, and I'm going to stop my stitch there, okay? Because we need to put the zipper in, and we can do all these stitches after, okay? means that if I have to continue this stitch, our first stitch, I can go back in and stitch it, right? If I have to take some down too, I can go back and finish. Now when you stitch the whole French seam, okay, you won't have access to that seam. You have to unravel it, but if you leave at least 1.25 inches before, then you can have access to all the seam, okay? Any questions? You good? Okay. So again, we're going to repeat the same thing on the lining. And then the chiffon. Actually, let me do the chiffon. Okay, so again, mark the back, in front. Okay, find the wrong side and right side. This is the right side. Okay. Our zipper is going here. Okay, so it means that we started off